Ladies and gentlemen, hi. So, economy imekuwa ngumu bana, and most people are still saving in bank earnings like at least like 2% per year. Seriously. Yet, kuna money market funds ama MMF hapa Kenya zinatoa hadi 11%, almost 12, na bado watu hawajui. So, leo nita break down hizi money market funds and I'll give you the top 10 money market funds zenye unaweza fungua na uanze kusave where you can earn some good return. Before we dive in, your bank probably has not called you yet to tell you that they have been reducing how much you earn on your savings account. That is, if at all you actually have a savings account and not a current account. Because if yours is a current account, then you're definitely earning nothing in that money that is lying in the bank. And that's not your bank only, it's all of them across the board. Banks are quietly giving savers less and less. The results, millions of Kenyans are saving faithfully, but in real sense, they are barely growing. The money is barely growing. Meanwhile, there's another lot of Kenyans that have already turned to money market. These funds that are put in MMF offer short-term, low-risk returns, and they definitely have been outperforming bank savings account. As the government works to cool inflation, we notice that they reduce the base lending rate. MMF still are ahead if you're looking for a saving platform. And yes, the base lending rate that has dropped also has a ripple effect. Interest on treasury bill dips, the bills and the bonds, and the MMF rates also adjust slightly too, because that's where money put in an MMF account is invested. But here's what matters. Even after all these changes, most MMF accounts still offer between 9 and 12% compared to what your saving account is giving you. So while the economy shifts, MMF continues to give you money as a fighting chance to grow and safely. So now let's break it down and understand what's happening behind the scenes. The government reduced the base lending rate from about 10% to 9%, and this is a sign that inflation is reducing and the economy is stabilizing. So at such a point, then the banks also reduce their lending rates to borrowers, and in return, short-term government securities, which are the treasury bills, also go down in rates, and also the money market funds reduce in return, because money market funds are invested in treasury bills, and if the rates have gone down for the treasury bills, then the return to investors of MMF will also go down. Despite the general drop, here are the top 10 money market funds in Kenya. So the first one, you have Gulf Cup Money Market Fund, whose after-tax return is at 11.79. At number 2, we have Gen Africa Money Market Fund with 11.14. Then we have number 3, Kuza Money Market Fund with 11.02. Then we have Etika Money Market Fund at number 4 with 10.87. At number 5, we have Avocap Money Market Fund with 10.8. At 6, we have Lofty Carbon Money Market Fund with 10.77. At 7, Orient Kasha Money Market Fund at 10.61%. 8, and Wealth Money Market Fund, we have it at 10.03. Then we had Old Mutual at number 9 with 9.83. And then number 10, we have Nabo Capital at 9.72. So guys, as you have seen, you have an opportunity to make your money work for you by starting a money market fund account. If you have money that is sitting in the bank and it is not earning you anything, open an MMF account. In fact, your bank actually also have MMF funds. It's only that they probably have not told you about it because they can already see there is money in their account, which is still helping them. Fungua Money Market Fund, let it earn you something as you grow. This is your first step to starting your investment journey. Investment haitakangi ati I have this much money, now I can start. You can start small. In fact, some of these MMF accounts, you can start by saving 100 shillings. Sasa, kutoka hapo ni bidii yako. There's a wise lady that said that true power is not about how much you have. It's about what you do with it. And that's my parting shot. So usimis more of this kind of information, very educative, Please like, subscribe, and share our videos, and also let us grow together.